of the things that continue to surprise the owners even after a few years of ownership is just how fast the car is. So the quality part sort of grows on you after you've owned the car. Then you start to appreciate how well it's made, the attention to detail, just the materials. Somehow you feel it's a notch above what you get with the other supercars.
One experience was when we were in Sepang and then we got to try the different brands, the 675 LT especially. You could really feel that it was safe. At the same time it was scary, but it's not like I'm going to die kind of scary. I think it's a very controlled kind of scary. It was fun. Yeah, you could get the tail out, especially on the 570S. It was playful. I think McLaren has gone into a bit of that playful interpretation when you're cornering. So the rear really likes to lose a little bit of traction, give you a little bit of that naughty giggle. Yeah.
So I like the fact that I think of a sort of smaller sort of community feel. It's much more like a sort of family than some of these big sort of curated events and things. So the essence of what we're doing is really it's about the cars. I'd actually just rather be out and in the cars and driving them.